Hello, UCU family members and comic heads out there. This is your friendly host of the United Comic Universe, Fenrir Moon. UCU family member, Jonan Show, and I was talking here at the channel about this Omega Red theory that is very possible that Oliver Richards, the Dust Giant, could be playing Omega Red. I am going to be breaking it down, all down, with that comic hype. Also, I will be giving away a PlayStation 4 once we reach that 5,000 subscriber mark, or when that PlayStation 5 comes out. It will be your choice when that time comes for you to pick which one. And also, when we hit that 500 subscriber mark, we will be giving away a Captain Marvel pop. In order to be a winner of these awesome prizes here at the channel, all you have to do is smash that subscribe button, then punch that notification bell so you can get notified when I go live and upload a video. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready? Let's go.
United Comics Universe.
A universe for fans.
From pages to pictures, we are comics.
We are movies. We are television. We are the pages in your books. And we are comics. Now, let's get into your comic excitement. So we was watching this video called Black Widow post-credit scene and full pilot leak video from YouTuber Everything Always. There are some big leaks in that video, but one thing we noticed in the video, there was no mention of Mutant or Oliver Richard, the Dutch Giant. Marvel is keeping very quiet on his role. Back in December 23rd, 2019, Screen Rant did an article called Black Widow could introduce the MCU first mutant. In the article, it was saying that Oliver Richards could be playing Ursa Major, the Soviet super soldier. This is a good theory because Ursula Major is a Russian mutant. He have the power to transform into a 7.5 feet tall, massive brown bear, but his human height is 6'3". The only connection that I could find with Black Widow and Ursa Major that he helped Black Widow when she was a clone. She was created by the Red Room. I am not going to begin deep into his history. Now there are fans saying that the Dust Giant is going to be playing El Jaguar. Based on this picture shown right here, the only connection I could find with Black Widow and the El Jaguar, a Daredevil comic book called Daredevil Man Without Fear, issue 121. Also, El Jaguar stand at 6'1", and he is not from Russia. He is from Spain. I have done videos on this one. That my theory is that Oliver, the Dust Giant Richards, is going to be playing the 8-foot non-sentient robot combat instrument originally created by the Subvision Hydra Dreadnought. Now the connection I have found from researching, the Dreadnought is also in the Daredevil comic book. The Dreadnought fought against Black Widow and Daredevil. I will not be getting too deep into it, so check out my video where I get more into it. Oh, Colossus could be showing up in the Black Widow movie according to some theory. I did some research. The only thing I could find that Colossus' connection to the Black Widow movie is that he is Russian. Now, let's get into the theory that compelled your finger to click on this video. Oliver Richards playing Omega Red. We did the research. We came to the conclusion that Omega Red is the best theory that we talk about here at the United Comic Universe. Here's the reasons why. Omega Red is a Russian serial killer. Oh yes, he is a mutant. He was also in a Russian prison called Bukala Prison. Now, who else is in a Russian prison? Red Guardian. Now, in the comics, our favorite mutant, Wolverine, is in the same prison as Omega Red. And Omega Red hates Wolverine. All he wants to do in his life is to take out Wolverine. Do you see some of the connection here? The prison is in the movie. We are getting a lot of Wolverine hype. And yes, of course, mutant hype. It is possible we might be getting an Easter egg of Wolverine in the movie. Also, the KGB want to experiment and attempt to create a super soldier similar to Captain America, which the end result was Omega Red. I don't need to get into the Black Widow connection with the KGB because we all knows how the KGB and Black Widow gets down. Maybe I should make a video about this. Should I? Maybe? What do you guys think? Please use your comic words and comment down below and let us know. Okay, do you see the other connection? KGB? Also, Omega Red was once in S.H.I.E.L.D. custody. Months later, it became known that the Red Room bought Omega Red with the hopes of using him to their own ends. The Red Room had been experimenting on his body in an effort to enhance his healing factor, which is also called Death Factor. Also, there are leaks saying that Omega Red will be introduced in the Falcon and the Winter Soldier. He will be showing up in Madripoor in the Falcon and the Winter Soldier, which we will see some action in Madripoor, because the picture that are being shown to you right now is set photos of the bar in the Falcon and the Winter Soldier, which is located in Madripoor. The name of the bar is called Princess Bar, which owned by Mr. O'Donnell. Also, Patch constantly visit this bar. Okay, comic heads, we all know who Patch is, right? Wolverine in disguise. As far as we was told that the Falcon and the Winter Soldier comes after Black Widow. So Omega Red will be introduced in the show. So we have a few theories about who we think that the Dust Giant will be playing. So here at the United Comic Universe, our best theory we chose is Omega Red because of so many connections to Black Widow and the Falcon and the Winter Soldier. Also, I wonder if we will be getting Red Mafia. Red Mafia is a criminal organization, and guess who is the boss of the Red Mafia? If you said Wolverine, you will be right. I'm just joking. It would be Omega Red. So you family members and comment heads out there, what do you think about these theories? Which theory do you pick? Do you agree with that Omega Red theory? That Omega Red theory is on point. Just imagine this on the big screen. A 6'11" red glowing eyes with chalk pale skin with cybernetics and tubings are visible on his cheeks, and body implants within his arms are long cords made of carbonadium. Just imagine that. That would be so awesome, right? So put your comic words down below. Let us know what you are thinking. Hit that like up, but most important thing is to share. Share. This is the only way we can get around the censorship. So please share and hit us up on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. Please support us on Patreon or support me on PayPal. All links will be down below. We are comics. Catch superheroes and villains another time.